Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got a new purse again. Who would have thought? But okay, so I was really interested in the Pillow Madison for a long time, but it's kind of expensive and they happen to have a Labor Day sale, so it was 25% off. So I'm like, yes, I will try it. The only thing is when I got it, I have some thoughts on it, so I'm like not sure how I feel about it, if I'm going to return it, exchange it, what I'm going to do. Because I ended up getting a Pillow studio bag, which was also on sale, so I'm like, I can't get both. Or can I? The decision will be made. But first, I will have to show you the bag. This is the bag here. Oh, there's a fluff on it. I don't know if you can see, but it kind of squishes in on this side more. You can see like this is squished in, and on this side not so much. Like, I guess that's a better way to show it. Like, this part is squished in, the other side's not, which I didn't like. But like, it's really cute. This is how it looks like as a shoulder bag. You can also wear it crossbody like this, or like a shoulder bag like this, or like this. So I'm like, is it cute? I didn't fully unwrap it because I'm not sure. And also it kind of like sags at the bottom, which I'm not sure how I feel about that. But yeah, basically it's got a little turn lock closure. You just go like this, and then you can open the flap, and then there's this magnetic pocket here, which I really like. So you can put some stuff in there. And then on the inside here, you got a decent bit of room. And it's got the microfiber lining, and then there's a zipper pocket, so you can like put stuff in there as well. It's not as generous in size, like width, as the other bag that I got, but still pretty nice. And then at the back, there's a magnetic pocket, also microfiber lined. It's got the nice ochre microfiber, so you can see stuff in your bag, because it's kind of hard when the bag's all black, but yeah. It's kind of hard to close it when there's nothing in it. But yeah, do I keep the bag? Do I exchange it for a better one? Do I keep it? Is it cute? Is it not cute? I'm not sure. I like it more as a shoulder bag, for sure. I feel like it just looks more right as that. It's made of nappa leather, and it's quilted. I really like the cross grid quilting that they've done on the bag. And the contrasting white stitching is nice. The one thing I'm concerned about is I have another gunmetal bag, and I had it for one day, and the hardware that connects to the bag chipped already. I'm like disappointed, highly disappointed. So yeah. I don't know how it's going to hold up, but also some people have had problems with the leather peeling off the C, but I think I would be careful with it, so it shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, I'm not sure how much I could actually fit in the bag, but for sure the back pocket can fit a phone, and the front slip pocket I could fit whatever. I could probably fit my selfie stick or tripod in the bag. Let me see. I have one right here. My selfie stick or tripod. Yeah, that would fit, no problem. And still a lot of room. The whole back of the bag here is all leather going on the inside too. And it's only microfiber on like one side. And because it's nappa, it's like really easy to damage, but It's just one of those bags you got a baby, and I tend to like this type of leather, so I just have to baby my bags like crazy. Very hard to close this turn lock when there's nothing in it though. Oh right, I gotta put the stuffing back in. That will help. Too much stuffing. You gotta like squish it down to do that. Difficult. So yeah, that is the bag. I was really excited about this bag because it reminds me of Chanel bags, but I just found the construction to be too sloppy and the chain just kind of doesn't match the size of the bag, so I changed my mind about it. And I will be doing a review on my studio bag soon. I got the quilted studio bag that comes with a chain strap, so I will be showing that one soon. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you like the Pillow Madison or not. What do you think of it? What do you think of the little saggy bottom there? And the black on black hardware, what do you think of it? Is it a yes or a no? Black on black. I guess I will decide today if I return or not. Spoiler alert, I did return it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until the next time, bye-bye.